Hello there everybody, I'm Alexander and yes, you are watching René of Paris. Happy holidays, it's an exciting time of year and sometimes I like to do things a little bit creative with hairstyling. Either giving you a bit of wig information or something that you might be able to do, something attractive, something nice, something fun and something to mix your wigs up a little bit. So today is no different. So today I've got this amazing style and this is Angelica and she is in Spring Honey. I like to call it an oldie but a goldie, right? So it's been around for a long time. I started working with René of Paris Wigs about 3, 4, 5 years ago maybe, and it's like, for me, actually even longer, but anyway, cross that bridge when we come to it. But I've been working with them a long time, and Spring Honey in Angelica, all the time I have been working with wigs, has been a very, very popular style. So why am I talking about Spring Honey so much? I'm talking about it because she has what you call the money pieces. The face framing highlights. You see here how this is lighter than here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to accentuate those money pieces and I'm going to leave these lighter blondes out and to hug around the face. So when I say hug around the face, I mean come in like this. Now should this be too much, ladies and gentlemen, you're thinking, oh, I don't know if I like this hair out there. Don't worry about it. We'll take it away, we'll clip it in. I think for now, let's just leave it out and it will add to our styling. So what I need to do is I need to concentrate on the back of the hair. So this is how she's going to look from the front, but essentially we now need to put in a ponytail. I like to use the phrase, fail to prepare, prepare to fail. Now that's basically meaning be prepared, have everything ready, have everything out that you need, have everything good to go. So what do I have ready for myself? Well, if you look at my wrist here, I have beads that were made from my daughter, and I've got these two black things here, which are hair ties. So I need to get the hair ties in this hair to do what we need to do. You see this here, look? See on my wrist? I've got that loaded up. So let me load that hair tie, take that off my wrist, split that over. So this is the material hair tie, just to show you what I'm using. Nice and stretchy and flexy. And I'm just gonna put this one in here, look. Here, here. Okay, and then roll that up like so. Band that up. And then what I want to do, guys, is I want to open this up, flip the hair inside, and create this kind of effect. And then we're going to make some detailing. So I want you to pull your hair out, and what we should end up with is something that looks a bit like a fishtail plait. So fishtail plait, fish braid, heard it called a number of things. Basically what we're doing is we want this nice fish braided texture, and essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave all of this nice fluffy hair like this. So let's just work on our fish braid texture. Now, see how that is? Coming up really nicely. Okay, so that is about as much fish braid texture as I want for now. See what I'm doing there, look? By pushing that up, I just get that little bit of finish. Now, for me, if I was going out and I had some friends with me, I think this would be cool, just as is. I think it looks really good, but it's the holidays, so we want to dress it up a little bit. So I'm going to come in, let me walk around, and we're going to have a little heart here. So this essentially was a headband. Okay, so what I can do is I can make this banded area smaller, which works nice. So just put the headband over, like so. Look really quite nice when they're a bit broken, so don't worry too much about breaking it, because you can always go in and re-break it up, which I'll show you exactly what I mean right now. So you see, like this, like this. Let's open her up a little bit more. Nice, nice, nice. So we get this like this, and then I had another little red bow I thought I might finish this off with. And then here we go, ladies and gentlemen, a holiday inspired Angelica. I've left the money pieces out here, the face framing highlights look amazing. I've shown you a little bit of a fishtail braid hack at the back, dressed it up with a gorgeous sparkly bow and a little red ribbon, and left that wonderful texture of Angelica out here. Now, Angelica, it's a bit wavy, bit curly, bit straight, bit blown out, lovely wearable texture, great fishtail, looks great. What do you think, guys? Is this something that you would wear for the holidays? Is it something you'd wear for a party with or without bows? Let me know. I'll be very interested to hear what you think. But for me, all of us here at René Paris, happy holidays, and we'll see you later.